Okay, something that I admire about the Savior as a teacher is that he is the perfect teacher. He's patient, kind, loving. He always guides us and he always shows us the way. Some of the things that we did in class that can help us to teach more like the Savior um, is persistence and patience. The Savior was always patient with those who he taught, and he was always encouraging them over and over. He was persistent. So something that I felt like we did in this class that helped that is after we turned in assignments, we were given feedback and we could have an opportunity to implement that feedback and try again. And I feel like that's what the Savior always did. He would correct and teach his people and then give them a chance to try again. And we're constantly trying again and repenting and getting, feedback and counsel from our leaders and the Savior and trying again. One technology that I'm excited to use and implement in the classroom is robots. I thought they were a lot of fun when we played with them, and I think it'll be fun to teach to the students. And I think they'll really enjoy computational thinking and being able to program to use the robots.